Starting around the 7 April 2024, Nexo basically is exchanging at $1.35 in terms of its first rate with a value change of 0.78% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally huge manner. Nexo most certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $756, $349, $352 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $321,756 in an unpretentious manner. This especially makes Nexo truly positioning at 122 in the cryptographic money market in every practical sense, significant way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo sort of be fundamentally worth in 2024? Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Nexo a kind of wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Nexo cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely critical? These basically are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation. 2024 as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost in every way that really matters is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of $1.76. The normal certainly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to fundamentally be $1.71, or so they sort of thought. Besides, Nexo can really arrive at a very greatest value level of $2, showing that this especially makes Nexo certainly positioning at 122 in the digital money market in a kind of enormous manner. Nexo value forecast April 2024. The cost of Nexo sort of is generally anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $1.26 in April 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Nexo cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest worth of $1.43 with a fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $1.39 all through 2024, showing how besides Nexo can sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $2, exhibiting that this really makes Nexo beautiful positioning at 122 in the digital currency market, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost for Nexo in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.39 and $1.49 amazingly. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $1.45, or so they basically thought. Nexo value conjecture June 2024. The Nexo gauge for June 2024 expects that the Nexo may arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.55 with an exceptionally least cost of around $1.44, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value, Nexo can generally stretch around $1.49 for June, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo in every practical sense is supposed to arrive at an essentially least value worth of $1.50, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $1.62 with a truly normal cost around $1.55. Nexo value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Nexo truly is determined to fundamentally be at around a for the most part least worth of $1.52. Truly further appearance how Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost for Nexo in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.39 and $1.49, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a really limit of $1.70 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.58 in USD, which sort of is very huge. Nexo value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the fundamentally greatest cost for Nexo could explicitly stretch around $1.78. Showing the way that the Nexo cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $1.43 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $1.39 all through 2024, showing how besides Nexo can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $2, exhibiting that this generally makes Nexo essentially positioning at 122 in the digital currency market, which basically is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in September 2024 truly is $1.59 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $1.65 in an unpretentious way. Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to especially reach at a by and large least worth of $1.63 in October 2024. showing the way that the Nexo value worth can especially arrive at a sort of limit of $170 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $158 in USD, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a really greatest worth of $184 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $169 all through 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner. Nexo value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to generally be at around for the most part least of $168 amazingly. Nexo cost can generally arrive at a limit of $0.93 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $173 in USD, which basically demonstrates the way that the Nexo cost could truly arrive at a really greatest worth of $184 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $169 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value conjecture December 2024. The Nexo cost for December 2024 may really arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.71, while the very most extreme determined cost explicitly is around $2,000. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The very normal cost for Nexo, especially as in every practical sense, anticipated to reach $176 in December 2024, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo extremely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost basically has shown a kind of good increment of 182% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which is very huge. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Nexo in a real sense was in every practical sense. Great vertical pattern and expanded by 178% amazingly. Nexo truly has shown exceptionally kind of solid sort of potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, which explicitly shows that this makes Nexo kind of positioning at 122 in the digital money market, which really is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure 2024 facts. What will especially be Nexo genuinely worth in 2024, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Nexo cost in a real sense is determined to, for the most part, arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest degree of $2,000 with truly least cost of $0.71 toward the finish of 2024. By and large, further appearance how sort of is Nexo an essentially wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Nexo generally have a future, or so they generally thought? As far as value, Nexo generally has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner especially. It in a real sense is gauged that Nexo will increment in esteem in an especially significant way. As per unmistakable specialists and business examiners, Nexo can fundamentally stir things up around town the most exorbitant cost of $59.73 till 2030. Especially further appearance how Nexo cost can really arrive at a limit of $0.93 with the typical cost of $0.73 in USD, which in every practical sense demonstrates the